Alright, I had a different video planned for this week. However, I finally figured out something that's been bugging me in retro games. And I'm going to walk you through how I fixed it, but be careful. I'm not a very good programmer. So, the first thing is allow me to show you. I have an LED matrix and a bunch of buttons, and I can move a little guy around the matrix like so. Now, what I wanted to do is say I wanted to hit the green button and I could turn this guy green, right? Just a single element. And now all these guys around him are still red. And then if I come down to this guy and I hit the blue button, I can turn this guy a blue. And now you see the colors run from red to green to blue. So getting that done took a long time. So I'm going to kind of walk you through how I did it with code. It's not going to be very elegant. So here's all my stuff. This is the position that I'm currently lighting up the X and Y. These are my red, green, and blue values. Um, here's all the stuff to get the dot moving. Here's how I move. Here's how I convert button presses into movement. And then here is where the magic happens. I just use all of these buttons to set the value of the color I want. And then when I hit this button, all you do, take your LED display, your matrix, and you come down here and you set the colors with a vector 3. That's it. Just the colors equal a vector 3. I was gobsmacked when I found it. I felt incredibly stupid. So hopefully this will help somebody in the future. Uh, until next time, everybody, this has been your starchy friend, Oscar.